Say hi. Alexa. Alexa, say hi.
Hi.
Feeding the ducks, guys, and the seagulls.
Mommy. Hey, give me. Mommy.
These monkeys. Okay. Just tiny bits. Alexa. Hi guys. You say look at here.
How many birds are they?
Birds, there, seagulls and duckies. Look, everyone's coming. Everybody's coming.
I'm standing up. Calm down, guys.
Oh my God.
Don't be such a greedy man.
Say hi. Look at the camera. Just a tiny bit. You're finishing the bread quick. Okay, my turn, guys. Alexa's giving the ducks one whole sliced bread. The seagulls.
Yeah.
Should we get one for pecking duck for tonight? Dinner?
Yeah.
Should we got one of the ducks?
Yeah.
Kidding, guys. We don't got a duck here.
A lot of ducks are here.
We're gonna decided to come and feed the ducks, guys, because tomorrow it's gonna be raining and it's school holiday today, guys.
It's gonna be
2
raining
weeks
so
school
bad.
holiday here, and it's the first week of school holiday, so I'm with Alexa.
Oh, look outside and over a piece of bread. Dogs.
This little size, bite size, they're gonna get cold. Are they? Looks.
Oh my God!
Whoa! What's wrong? Why they all left? Oh, because there's a dog. Right?
Oh yeah. Guys,
Alexa had to step on the bench, guys, because
I'm scared.
she's
of ducks.
scared.
And
They might.
eat my butt.
What?
Whoa!
They might.
Oh, shoot.
They are all coming. Oh, look at the other type of bird, Alexa.
Yes, a black one.
No, there. The brown
see
one.
one.
Well, guys, there's a different type. Oh, that's doves too, guys. I mean, pigeons. Pigeons. So it's all mixed. Pigeons, little birds. A sparrow bird. This a little sparrow bird. So.
I'm gonna make blow faces and make it rain.
Hey.
I'm making a bread
This
shower.
is how noisy Alexa when she feeds the ducks and the seagulls.
No, I don't sound like this.
Oh, look at that one on the mouth of that seagulls. It's like a jelly or something. That was a big blue seagulls down there. That's blue one, guys. It's a huge seagull, guys. And they like our bread, guys. This is from our freezer. It's it's froze, and they're still eating it, guys. See? Oh, there's a pigeons down there. Monkey, say hi. Monks,
Yeah?
say hi. Hi guys. Alexa.
Oh, hi.
Look at Alexa chicks. Show them your chicks. Let's go, then it's getting rosy.
Yeah, because I'm scared of dogs.
No, you're not.
Yes. They might bite me. There's
Bite? They just touch you with their beak.
last time I tried it with my hands.
Look at my hand, guys. It's so red to see. The bread is frozen. Okay, no more guys. Look.
I got a few more.
No, you can have them. Then I'll beat you while you're feeding them. Come on.
Oh, mommy.
Oh, look. The black swans are here, but you guys too late.
Mommy.
You guys are late. It's all gone.